Up for sale, 1962 Chevy Bel Air. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 62 Bel Air, 4-door, finished in factory colors, just over 68,000 original miles, all original metal, top and bottom, 6-cylinder, Powerglide automatic, air ride. And of course, I'm going to go around it, tell everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So, of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And I just got to say, as far as 4-doors go, what a beautifully maintained car. Paint quality and condition. The interior, which I'll just show you real quick. Detail in the trunk. And then when you look underneath it, underneath looks amazing. No rust, no patches. Again, unbelievable how nice the underneath is. And yeah, we'll go around it. I'll talk a little bit more about it as always. And let's just go straight to the bumper here, which is in nice shape. You can see like a little rub right on that edge, but overall nice and shiny. A little closer here. Some little marks, but no pitting, nothing like that. And I do have the car dropped most of the way right now because I was taking some other pictures. So I'll show you the car go back up in a little bit. Bezels for the headlights look great. This one's actually a T3 headlight. And that inner one's also a T3 headlight. Grill looks really nice. So I just had that blue and white 4-door. I'm not one to knock other cars. This blows that car out of the water in every single aspect. From, again, the paint quality, the interior, maintenance, straightness underneath, running and driving. Can't go wrong with the air ride. That shine is beautiful. I mean, you're going to get a couple, little guys like that. That lines up really nice in through here. No cracks in any of the glass. All the weather stripping's in great shape. Little blemish right in the center. The body is super straight, and again, all the panels fit. Sorry. Going and popping the hood here. First impression, I like what I see. All the black looks great. The firewall looks nice, tidy, not boogered. Upgraded the master cylinder as well, so now there's a compartment for the front brakes and the back brakes rather than just a single master cylinder. I noticed the Harrison radiator. I noticed some things like these correct clamps. How nice it looks in through here when you're looking at it. I like seeing the glass bottle still in place. I like seeing the black in there, nice shape. You can see correct clamps in here for the heater, stuff like that. Older original underhood, but it looks good. It goes with all that you see in here. Let me go ahead. Even like the finish in here looks nice. I noticed missing those little rubber ones on here, but that's the only nitpicky thing so far. I've got the controls all ready to go for you. Here, watch this. Single exhaust. Little belt squeak, but runs super smooth. Maybe you can hear it better. So you got the 2 gauges, front left, front right, back left, back right, and the plug for the radio. And you can see how easy and effortlessly these doors just open and close. Anyway, it's just focusing on the paint now. These pieces of trim are in really, really nice shape. You see a little chip that was touched up there, 2 other ones there, but that rocker panel is mint all the way back. I mean, again, I talk about this when I can. That same smoothness, that same quality of finish all the way down to the bottom. These pieces of trim here are in great shape. Little buffing compound. Sorry about that. When you look in here, it's nice. It's not bubbling. It's not rusty. Again, let's just focus on some finish in here. It looks nice. Great. The metal's clean, even down in here. Even in here, the metal's nice. Good finish. Weather stripping's good even down here. And then focusing on the door panel. The door panel is in awesome condition. I mean, you see a little wear on that, but that's nitpicky. But what actually matters is in great shape. And it does have front seat belts. The front seat is in fantastic condition. It's firm. It's not ripped. It's not torn. It's clean. Carpet, really like that color combination. So 68,402. How nice these are. You see some water stains on the back of the headliner, but what you do see, there's no busted seams, there's no poked holes, no sagging. Where it fits into all this piping, it's tight. Came off. There was a little baby mark right here, and then when you come down here, 0. No bubbles, no rust, nothing like that. See some little marks here on the chrome. I want to keep the plate. I'm just going to be honest with you. I tried to just pop it off with the screwdriver earlier and they weren't turning, so this is not included. I have to have that. Little baby mark right there. bubbling. Zero bubbling around the trim in the back as well. Zero here. Nothing in there. I like how organized it is. I like where they put this. Weather stripping, again, great shape. You can make out stampings there for the original quarter. And you can make out the 5 at least for that one. It doesn't look to be repaired where it normally gets repaired. Spare, jack, tire iron. And then it looks like it could be original paint, or at least definitely maintaining the original jacking instructions. You can see how nice that hem is still in there. Yep. Little chip that's been touched up. You can see another little touch up right there. You can see when I lean down here, can you see it? All those little indents in the body. I did take a picture of that while I had it on the rack to show you. But you can see how nice this all lines up. Oh, little blemish right there. That fitment and that finish going all the way forward. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both things will be in the description of this video if you'd like to go check it out. Granted, my website's kind of acting up, so the website may not be updated, but eBay will be, so always go there first. See a little blem right there. You see a couple other little touch-ups here and a little on the paint. But thank you for watching. And we are just about at that point where we're going to fire it up now, show it drive, and then get in for the driving. Well, bottle squirting out on the seat. Great. Thank you. It's you.
Once the canisters fill up, then that's it. Close it
Yeah.
off.
Yeah. It's you, bro.
Braking, steering. Acceleration. It's roomy. I think 4 people can sit up front.
Wow.
And another 4 in the back. That's 8, isn't it? And then 4 in the trunk. That's 12.
I don't know if we're getting that many in the trunk. Small people. Yeah. Yeah, just, you know, get rid of the 60 and keep this. It's a perfect,
Good idea.
it's a perfect Florida car for you.
Oh, yeah. Go to the beach.
You can go to the beach high, you can go to the beach low. Like height, not
Well, if it
not
floods,
drugs.
you raise it up. Because it floods down there. But Uncle Dave would like this. Auntie Mary went to Lou and Tone to bring Dave lunch. That's kind
He can't go down the street?
There's my old car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But he can't go down the street to get it?
Because she was having her car detailed.
Uh-huh.
I wonder if Ziggy, the IT president, wants it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Instead of the
Was that his name, Ziggy?
Corvette.
I don't remember his name.
Text the guy on the Corvette, see if he's coming today. No response.
Probably not. Oh, watch out for this guy.
Yeah.
Oh, well, keep going, yeah.